is Jewelyn and my brother Patty Bear. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to our home here in Las Vegas. I am very happy to be back here at our new home, and Patty and I are going to be doing the first part of today's video, which is going to be picking the winners. So my mom got another planter that I really love, which I featured on my channel in a different color, so I definitely will be planting up another plant for the collection here in Las Vegas. Patty, do you want to pick the numbers with the help of mom? So my mom and my grandma's here downstairs. Patty is wearing my favorite color, by the way, a hue of Tiffany blue. Isn't he adorable? Thank you, Patty, for helping with the intro. So let's pick the names here. So mom, what number would you like to pick? 7. So my mom picks number 7. So what I'm gonna do is pull 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 here, and the winner is Kortuix. Don't know how I'm pronouncing that. Kortuix, all the way out in Portugal. Woo! Mom, you picked today's winner all the way out in Portugal, one of my subscribers. So let's go ahead and shake this all up again, and Grandma, pick our second number.
Number 3.
All right, number 3. 1, 2, and number 3. And the winner is Anna Genuine, all the way out in Savannah, Georgia. So this is going to be our second winner. First winner will be getting the tools. Second winner will be getting the planter. I'll go ahead and do part 2 of the video, which will be filmed tomorrow, Sunday, giving an update of all of the plants in Las Vegas and how they are doing. I'm headed to work, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Guys, so it is Sunday evening, the next day. So this is part 2, and I wanted to go ahead and kind of do a plant update and tour of the current plants living in our Las Vegas home. It changes every week, and I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys first before going upstairs to my room, doing an update there on all the plants that are currently downstairs in the kitchen area, because this is where we have most of the natural light coming through in the downstairs floor. I'm here in the kitchen, and I want to go ahead and share with you guys just a little plant update of the plants that I did feature in a Planting with Jewelyn episode, as well as plants that my mom's husband or my mom did pick up to add to the downstairs. So let's go ahead and work our way from one corner to the other corner of our kitchen area. Here is the first plant that I want to share with you guys, an update. And this is the rubber tree that I gifted my mom moving into the new home here. It's a burgundy rubber tree, and this was an absolute steal and great find in Star Nursery here in Las Vegas. Absolutely love it. I potted it with a planter that I got, I think, at Home Goods on the east side of Las Vegas, and it is currently living right on the countertop of the kitchen sink, where there is a lot of big windows here, and it's been doing pretty good. And that is the current condition of the plant. It looks really good. I just gave them all a spray here, so my mom got a little spray bottle, and I just mixed all of them so they're nice and happy. So that looks great. And then even when we were here 2-3 weeks ago, my grandma did wipe everything down, foliages front and back, with coconut oil and water, so it's still looking good and nice and happy here in the kitchen. Right alongside of the rubber plant is another jade plant. Now this was from a plant that my mom's husband brought home. I think he got it from Sam's Club, and then this is one of the watering cans that I think is ceramic that my mom had at the old house. So it's currently living here, and I see some little growth here, so it's pretty happy living right by the kitchen counter next to the big window. So hopefully lighting is doable in this section here. So as you can see, there is a handful of plants in this section. This is the peperomia that I got a couple hauls back from Star Nursery, so I have it living here. And then next to it is a cactus that my mom got me. I think she might have got this actually at Walgreens when she went to pick up some kind of makeup for me. So she got this at the drugstore here. Little tiny pricks in there, so it was pretty easy to plant in this planter. Now these planters are from Sam's Club, and they all came with the house plants here. So like this one was from Sam's Club as well. This is the umbrella plant along with the Diphambachia, And by the way, I'm gonna go ahead and prune this guy off of here, and we'll do a little turn here, shift it. So here is the current status of the Dieffenbachia. I see some growth up here, so that makes me happy knowing that it's happy here. Also, I see a little growth here. So that is a houseplant living in the collection here. And then one of my subscribers told me that this was the Eve's Needle. And I believe I got a crescent and a non-crescent. I believe this is the crescent. And it kind of looks like it has a funky mohawk here. So that's pretty cool. And then this one, I have no idea what type of succulent this is. If you do, let me know in the comments below. As you can see, it is wild and crazy. But this was just one of the succulents that my mom had for over a year living in our old patio, and I wanted to go ahead and plant it up. So I put it in a little watering ceramic pitcher here, and it looks super cute in here. So this is what is living on the left side of the kitchen sink next to the window. Mom's had this in her home for a good minute. This was living in the other house that they moved out of, and this is her lucky bamboo. So I wanted to go ahead and feature this guy in the plants living currently in our kitchen downstairs. And then here is another lucky bamboo here, and this has been living at the old house for a good minute as well. You can see here we have tons of different succulents living in these cement planters, and my mom's husband actually got this from Sam's Club. So we shop a lot at Sam's Club, and they have these guys here. If I'm not mistaken, they're over $10 a piece, so I think around $15 one. Obviously, you're paying for the planter. So let's go ahead and see what the first one is. So this is an elephant's food, looking really good in this planter. So this is a kalanchoe or kalancho, and as you can see, it's nice and fuzzy. This is really hardy, so it's doing really well here. And then this is a jade, Crassula ovata. And then next to it is a cute Haworthia. And then next to it is a little smaller variation of the jade plant here. So this is kind of what it looks like living on our little kitchen counter. And then this is the current view if you are looking from the kitchen to the living room. So there is that big window behind me coming from this sink that's giving them that natural lighting. They look so cute like this. So I hope you enjoyed the downstairs kitchen plant tour. This is all of the plants that are currently living in our home downstairs. So let's go upstairs, because I do have all of my plant babies that are currently living in my room gathered next to the window on my nightstand so they can get the most natural lighting while I'm here. And that is going to be the last part of the video. So let's head on upstairs to my room. So now we are upstairs, and as you can see, Evie's right over here. I have one window here in my upstairs bedroom. If you guys watch my plant tour in my bedroom, you know what the room looks like. I have all of my plant babies currently living in my room right here on my nightstand next to the window so they can get natural lighting while I'm here. I just gave them a little misting. My mom actually gave me this cute little misting bottle, which I think is super cute. It's perfect for my little section here. And they are all doing good, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the point of view so you guys can see what they look like. They're doing all great. And remember now, I'm only here 2 weekends a month, so these are very low maintenance plants. And when I'm here, they do get a water. Here is my jade from my jade tree. If you guys watch my Planting with Jewelyn episode, you remember all of these plant babies. And they are currently looking really good. So that makes me, of course, my favorite saying, happy. My mom always jokes around with me, but I have nothing better to say, but it makes me happy. And as you can see, the aesthetic of my planters here are either cement or white and a little bit of pink here. So my mom got me this. This was part of the plants that was living in her old patio that I wanted to plant up. These here are from Star Nursery. This is from my tree in Santa Monica. And then my mom got me this. And then these two came from IKEA, which my mom had in her patio for a year. And they just weren't planted up, so I wanted to go ahead and give them a home. But these are all currently living in my bedroom, and I do see them twice a month, and they're very low maintenance plants. So And this is the current status of all of my plant babies. That is gonna wrap up the video with the giveaway that I did go ahead and film and announce yesterday, along with my current plant tour and update on all of the plants that are currently living in our Las Vegas home. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and to the winners, all I ask is that you go ahead and send me a picture of you using the prize so I can go ahead and share with it on my channel so everybody else can enjoy as well. And that's about it. You can definitely find more on my blog at ilojewelyn.blogspot.com. Subscribe to my channel, thumbs up the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Heading back to Santa Monica tomorrow to do another Planting with Jewelyn episode. I am so excited, guys, to be sharing another plant tour update on all of my plants currently living in Santa Monica. So I am excited to see them. And that is going to wrap up this giveaway announcement, as well as my plant tour and update on all of the plant babies currently living in my Las Vegas home. Until next time, you can find more on my blog at ilojewelyn.blogspot.com. Aloha! Bye!